Look at these beautiful thank you stickers, and you get 3,000 of them. And they come in all these different prints. They're in these rolls, ready to go. Now you could even put them with a pull so they can all easily come out, just like that. Or as what I've done is I've just cut a small area and I just pull it out as needed. That way it doesn't unravel and it stays nice and neat. So that's a little tip that I do for mine. But look how pretty these are. Now these are perfect for thank you cards, or let's say you have a small online business, or maybe a large one too. Or maybe you're a baker, or you know, a business owner, and you want to put a thank you on the people's orders or on their packaging. So this is an example of what I do. So when I bubble wrap an item, I take one of the stickers, just like that, and it easily comes off, and I place it right here. So instead of using tape, I put the sticker on. So it does two things at once. It closes it up, but plus it also tells them thank you. It's just a little small touch, but it makes a huge difference to clients. And I really recommend these because you get 3,000 of them and they are so cute. All of them have different styles. So for example, these are tropical and flowered. These are cute with flowers on them and just says thank you. They all say thank you. These are colorful as well. They just all have great looks to it. Definitely recommend it. So glad I purchased this. And like I said, you get 3,000. They measure 1 inch and I think they are perfect. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.